New party has been launched in India. It's called the Cockroach Janta Party. You heard that right. Eligibility criteria is unemployed, lazy, and chronically online. Ability to rant professionally. The party's slogan is secular, socialist, democratic, and lazy. And it calls itself the voice of the youth. The website is on your screen right now, cockroachjantaparty.org, launched the same day. The growth was immediate and striking. Within 3 days of launch, the party has attracted about 80,000 sign-ups. On Instagram alone, the party has crossed 551,000 followers within 48 hours. And if you thought that this lazy and unemployed movement was just online, it has gone offline. A group of youth volunteers carried out cleanliness drives along the Yamuna River, dressed like cockroaches, carrying placards as a peaceful response to the CGI's remark. What was the CGI's remark? Let's play that up for you as well. Right? Now, the volunteers said that they chose their own insult and they could not take in the statement that was made by CGI Surikant. They said that they were pained by his comments. Now, what were his comments? Remember, on the 15th of May, Chief Justice of India Surikant likened unemployed youth to cockroaches during the Supreme Court hearing. The remarks went viral. And the very next day, a digital content creator, Abhijit, founded the Cockroach Janta Party.
I think it was more triggering coming it from the Chief Justice of India, who is the custodian of Constitution, which grants us the freedom of expression. Someone who is there to safeguard our freedom of expression is comparing us with cockroaches and parasites for just putting up our opinion. That was more hurting part, I would say.
So would it be fair to say that you are the OG cockroach? You are the one, as you called yourself, that you are the one that the Chief Justice was really talking about. Why did it become so personal? And I'm trying to understand, ever since then, you've got support of some opposition MPs as well, some TMC MPs who have jumped in. How did you take that support?
Everybody who will speak about the youth, about the Gen Z and their concerns are welcome in this party. Because for too long, I believe the Indian politics has ignored the Indian youth. If you look at the political discourse of India, what it has been for the last 10-12 years, it has been around Hindu, Muslim and stuff like that. How is it actually serving the youth? What is it in for them?